to set fingerprint to unlock screen in Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the app's screen. Tap Settings. Tap Lock Screen. Tap Screen Lock Type. Enter your PIN or pattern, if asked. Tap Fingerprint. Place your finger on the sensor, then lift it off when you feel a vibration. Reposition your finger each time to capture the edges of your fingerprint. Tap Continue. Tap Done. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.